Hi guys, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I hope that you guys are enjoying this series. It's just my way of kind of inspiring you to get your house in order for the holiday season. So today we're going to be focusing on the linen closet, but I'm not ready to take on the entire task of doing the whole linen closet because it's a lot. But if you take it in small areas at a time, I feel like it's not quite as overwhelming. So today I've decided to take the area that holds all of our medicines and toiletries that was once very organized. Everything had its own separate bin. That is no longer the case. After vacation, everything just got really messed up. We were coming and going so often, unpacking and repacking, and the kids aren't good about putting things back exactly where they belong. So everything is disheveled right now, and I'm going to take that small area of our linen closet and tackle it today, and I'm going to bring you along. So let me just show you what it looks like right now. So here is my linen closet currently. There was a time when it was beautiful and organized, but that time is not now. And this may be a bigger project that I decide to take on at some point once I get the little tasks done. So you can see up here is where I have some of my toiletries and medicines. They all should be up there in little bins, but some of them somehow have made their way down here. So everything is just kind of all over the place. So I'm going to take them out and we're going to organize them, and hopefully that will make this space look a little bit better. So this is supposed to be first aid stuff. And let's see what else. Wow guys, this is really bad. And this is supposed to be dog grooming stuff, and clearly it is not. We have some Advil, we have all of our, when we unpacked from the cruise, we just kind of threw these bags wherever they may fall. So deal with this. Now this is supposed to be the medicine bin, but again, it's just random stuff is just thrown in here. So these are the three bins that I have always worked with, and I just need to reorganize them. There's even more stuff up here. So what we've done is every time we traveled, we just threw what we needed in these big Ziploc bags. And then when we unpacked them, we just kind of threw them on top, just like that, ever so lovely. And that's the way they've been ever since. I'm reaching way back to see what else is back there. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with organizing all of this stuff. Okay, so I've gone and sorted through everything. So here is now my medicine bin, and everything is organized. I tried to keep the lids upright so that you can read exactly what everything is, and just labeled medicine on the front. And then I have my first aid bin here, and again I have the label on the front, and I tried to keep everything in such a way that you can actually see what it is inside. So that is done. And then finally my dog grooming kit, which is actually just a few things, just some shampoo and some doggy dental stuff, so that's in there. And then I just kind of corralled a whole bunch of other things, just random stuff I pushed to the side that I actually need to put away in a totally different location, just doesn't even belong here in the linen closet. So we are back to business. Okay, so here is the linen closet now, and you can see what a big difference it made just cleaning out those three little bins. So I was able to move things around a little bit, and now I have more space to put away all of my towels, which will be going there soon. I'm folding laundry right now. And it just looks a lot more organized. So it's amazing what 15 minutes of your day and just taking one small little task and tackling it, it just really makes a big difference. I think so anyway. So there we go. I am really happy that I took the time to do that today, and I hope you're feeling motivated too. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Hopefully it motivated you to tackle an area in your home today. I just feel like tackling these little areas in your home, especially through the chaos of the holiday season, really helps you feel a little bit more in control. So I hope that everybody is having a great week thus far. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying my Motivational Mondays, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I have a new and fun video to share. Also, it'd be great if you guys could follow me on Instagram. It's Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, and if you decide to tackle an area in your house today, please let me know in the comments below what you decided to do, and go ahead and tag me on Instagram, post a picture of your success. Okay, I'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye.